And I'm just gonna come outside, and then it's gonna be because I showed you that I could close my eyes and walk through the house. I feel like there's a tree over me.
Okay, you can open your eyes now.
Oh my goodness! Wow!
Alright, so I'm headed up to Washington to get my girlfriend's anniversary gift. We've been together 5 years, and all my friends are saying that at 5 years, what she really wants is a ring. I think it's just because she hasn't seen what I'm getting her today. So another 30 minutes or so, and I'll be there, and then get it home and see if she says yes to that. So she doesn't know yet what is coming home with me tonight. She assumes it's a car of some sort, which she's not happy about, but because, I don't know, I've got 6 or 7 right now. But I'm going to throw a curveball with this one, because this one actually runs and drives, which is going to be a little different for me. It's kind of a novel concept. So Joel's had just a couple cars in her life. She had a 4-door 94 Nissan Sentra non-spec car, which is probably her favorite out of all of them since it was her high school years, and her grandpa gave it to her. Well, actually, he sold it to her for a very reasonable sum, and but you know, fitting all of her girlfriends in there and driving to the IHOP and all of that kind of silly stuff. And she bought a Toyota Highlander. I don't remember what year. Car, excellent gas mileage, unlike the beast that she's driving now. So since we just moved out, bought a farm pretty remote from everything else, and while this Duramax gets about 19-20 miles a gallon on the highway, around town it's pulling about 14. So I decided to get her something that has a little more sensible gas mileage and is a little more fun maybe than anything else she's had. There it is. Alright, so as you can see, 92 Volkswagen Cabriolet, 2-owner car, high miles, runs great, 209,000 miles, bunch of service records for it, very, very sweet couple, owned it for the last 3 years. It's in excellent condition, doesn't leak, 0 rust, as far as I can tell. It's a nice Volkswagen. Yeah, it's kind of funny, this car lands in a series of things in our lives. Like 5 years ago, I was tired of the whole dating scene and stuff, and decided I was just going to be single and just be okay with that. And then probably it was the next day at work I met her, and 4 years later we started looking for a farm to buy together, and incredibly difficult. In 6 months we looked, and finally we just got to the point where we were just done with it. We're just like, forget it, we're not going to look anymore, and we'll just buy something small, some little house together somewhere. And as soon as we said that, the next day something came up, and it was exactly what we wanted, and we jumped on it. And then this car, I've been looking for one for her for about a year, and it's been really difficult, and I basically just gave up on the idea of finding one that wasn't just ridiculously expensive and wasn't 2,000 miles away, and one that hadn't been modified
Why'd you have to take the truck?
You don't get to see what's in the trailer.
Why can't I see what's in the trailer? You always get something and I get to see it.
Okay, you can open your eyes now.
Oh my goodness! Wow! You got the little red one! Oh, look at the interior! It's so cute! How does it run? It runs okay?
I know, I bought a car that runs.
Let's drive it! Where are the keys?
Keys are, I don't know.
Give me the keys! You had to move it over here somehow. Give me the keys. Let's try.
Those are not the right keys.
Oh.
Hold on, I got too many cars. Not the right keys. Hold on, wait.
Yes, you have too many cars.
Wait, did it come with keys?
It's the only time that I'm okay with you buying an extra car.
Oh, yep, they're in it.
They're in there? Okay, let's go for a drive.
You push it down until it snaps.
Nothing's happening.
It did.
Okay.
So the shifter's
Really, it's really stiff. Is that first?
reverse.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. That's first. Find out pretty quickly.
We're gonna die. Burn that torch.
I'm not burning it. I'm being gentle.
We're gonna die.
We're not gonna die. Maybe the brakes need tightening.
Yeah.
Push all the brakes. Slow down. Cute little yellow house. Isn't that adorable?
Oh wow, and a 64 Mercury Monterey.
You just needed to have another one of these cars in the family. Didn't you? Could not leave the group. What's next? You have another next, don't you? This isn't it.
No, it doesn't sound like something I would do.
It drives so well. Oh my gosh, the kids are gonna freak out.
He had a vetoed white.
Oh, she did.
She said all convertibles must be red. So this is purple.
It's a pretty dang, honey. You have a convertible.
You have a convertible.
Well, it's in the family, so
I'm not gonna drive it. What would the neighbors say?
just like you said about the truck.
No, you cannot put any fucking hay bales in this.
Maybe dogs, cats, animals, same time. You don't want to drive with me anymore because you know I drive stick.
No, I just don't want you driving my stick anymore.
Putting all these cars.
Well, we're gonna put them in the new shop.
You can't just clean out the garage and the garage shop.
No. You can't clean a garage. You just get a new one.
I don't think it works like that.
I think it kind of does. No sheep in the car either. Cannot take. Did you say project for me?
Yeah.
No, you do. You're gonna do the maintenance on this.
But you're going to paint it. You don't want me to get in that paint booth with you. You don't want me to mess up your stuff.
Well,
That's
that's
why
true.
it says Bear's Garage. You want people to know it's your work,
You
not mine.
are going to. You get to do the brakes and all that stuff, though.
Like we did on the on my
It's
old car.
unlocked.
Oh, it is. I can't. I don't know how. You do it. Oh, very fun. Oh my God, that's so tiny. Sweet.
One little thing we forgot to do before we go. Part of the collection now.